Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are keeping fine. So, welcome to the online class. I would request you to open your English book. We shall do chapter number 2, Transformation of Sentences. So, before we begin explanation of transformation of sentences, I would like to go back to the last lesson, that is kinds of sentences, lesson number 1.2. Now what we had learned were what are the different types of sentences. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence can be called as affirmative or statement or declarative. They all come together as same. Interrogative. As assertive is a simple statement, okay, simple sentence. Now interrogative. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which ask questions. Imperative sentences are those which expresses some kind of advice or some kind of command, this that. Then exclamatory, it expresses sudden joy or sudden feeling, maybe of joy or maybe of happy, sadness. Then negative sentences. Now negative sentences is a simple statement, but by using the words like no, neither, never, none, not, etc., changes the meaning of the sentence. It has no exclamation mark or no question mark. It will be ending up with a full stop. But when this statement is written, when this negative sentence, it is a simple statement. I said it is a simple statement, but then by using these words, it changes its meaning. Okay. Now we shall. I would like you to turn to that the lesson transformation of sentences. Now you can see there are many examples given under each heads. Now transformation of sentences means we need to convert the sentence given into as per the question without changing that meaning. Now one by one I will go through. Statements are given, examples are given. So first one, number A, statements into questions. Now first one cannot change the inevitable. Now if it is it has to be converted into question, then we will write it as who can change the inevitable. They can never be forgotten. Can they ever be forgotten? So this way we will change it into questions. Come to page number 11, question number B. The question is convert the following questions into statement. Now it is the opposite of question number A. Earlier it was statement and we had to convert into questions, but now it is question, we have to convert into statement. So look at the example. How can I forget his kindness? So the statement is I cannot forget his kindness. Who does not know what he has done? Everybody knows what he has done. So this way we will change the questions into statements. Next page, exclamatory sentences into statements. As I have told you that exclamatory sentences will be ending up in middle or in the end with an exclamation mark. But when we change into statement, those exclamation marks has to be removed. Automatically it will be removed. Now one example. Oh, what a beautiful sight. So the statement goes as the sight is very beautiful or it was a very beautiful sight. What a delicious meal. This meal is delicious one. So in this way we will convert the exclamatory sentences into statements. So worksheets are there, we will do it later on. Number D, statements into exclamatory sentences. Earlier it was exclamation to statements, now statements to exclamation. Example, you are very cruel. So how you are supposed to write? How cruel you are with an exclamation mark. It was a wonderful night. What a wonderful night it was. It will end up with an exclamation mark. Next page, number 14. Affirmative sentence into negative sentence. So affirmative sentence is just a simple statement. Now how we will convert into negative, as I had explained to you that by using this kind of words, it will the sentence will change its meaning. So look at the examples. I like singing. This is an affirmative sentence, but when it is changed into negative, it becomes I do not like sing. I do not dislike singing. That means the meaning is not changed. The meaning is not changed. You just look it carefully. He leads a busy life. He does not lead an idle life. Next, negative sentences into affirmative sentence. Negative sentence, now this also same thing, we will not change the meaning. So example, nobody likes a dishonest man. Now when it is changed into affirmative, we will write it as everybody hates a dishonest man. No one is without faults. Everyone has some faults. So I have just read out 2-3 examples, but I would request you when you sit to study, please go through all the examples, and then there will be some kind of difference in each and every sentences or in each and every statements. So when you read all the statements, then you will try to, if you try to do the worksheet, it will be much better, then you can improve yourself. Even then I will give you the worksheet in the next class. Okay? Thank you.